Okay, so first, start with understanding what data science is. You don't need deep research, just know that it's about using numbers and information to find answers, make decisions, or predict things. That's it. Watch or read one or two very simple beginner explanations. Take 2-3 days max. Now, before jumping into tools or coding, learn basic statistics and probability. Stuff like average, percentage, charts, and simple logic. This helps you actually understand what data says. Use beginner resources from Khan Academy or YouTube. Spend around 3 weeks here. No need to master everything, just get comfortable. Next, learn Python. It's the main language used in data science. You don't need to become a full developer, just learn how to write basic programs, work with lists, loops, functions, and how to read and write data. Use free beginner courses. Spend 1 month on this. After that, start learning how to work with data using Python. Focus on two tools, Pandas and NumPy. These help you clean and organize data. Practice by loading datasets and fixing messy parts. You can find free practice datasets on Kaggle. Spend 3 weeks here. Then learn data visualization. That means turning numbers into charts and graphs so they're easier to understand. Use tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn. Try to build simple charts like bar graphs, line charts, or heat maps. You'll need about 2 weeks for this. Now comes the important part, SQL. It's used to get data from databases. It's not hard. Just focus on select, where, join, group by, and order by. Use sites like SQL Bolt or W3 Schools. Practice every day for 2 weeks, then get into machine learning. This is where data science starts to make predictions. Use scikit-learn in Python. Start with simple models like linear regression, decision trees, and classification. Don't try to learn deep math yet. Focus on how it works and how to use it. Spend 1 to 1.5 months here. After you've learned all that, start building real projects. Pick a data set and try to solve something simple, like predicting prices, finding trends, or analyzing